Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, obviously you have to enter the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it, and here we have to enter this three dots icon, so let's tap. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see, and this is the list of previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove all of them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. But if this list is so wide and you don't want to do it manually one by one, then just tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced also we've got saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to be sure that something will be removed, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, here we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data. And we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything, starting with the previously visited websites through, for example, the saved passwords, and ending on the autofill from data. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.